every soul sings to me. Every note like waves on the sea. I hear the whispers in the night, a melody that makes everything right. Your song is like a gentle breeze. It lifts me up, puts my heart at ease. In every chord I feel your grace. Your melody, my safe place. Your rhythm keeps me close, a beat I'll never lose. In your harmony I find my truth, and our rhythm keeps me close, a beat I'll never lose. In your harmony I find my truth, and I absorb every note, every sound. In your song, that's where I'm found. Through the highs and the lows I belong. In the music of your soul I am strong. Your voice is like a guiding light, shining through the darkest night. Each word you sing brings me near. In your arms I have no fear. Your melody's a soft embrace, a perfect tune that time can't erase. With every beat you make me whole. In the music of your soul, your rhythm keeps me close, a beat I'll never lose. In your harmony I find my truth, and our rhythm keeps me close, a beat I'll never lose. In your harmony I find my truth, and I absorb every note, every sound. In your song, that's where I'm found. Through the highs and the lows I belong. In the music of your soul I am strong. Every note that you play, every word you sing is the light that makes my spirit swing. Through the silence, through the noise, your song is my sweetest choice, and our rhythm keeps me close.